So as you can see there, these people are making hundreds of dollars from this website, and even some are of making thousands of dollars. This method works worldwide. As you can see there, it is working in each and every country you can think of. It works in all countries. So what you have to do to make that amount of money is simply watching some interesting YouTube videos, visit some random website, and much more. But if you want to make money with this method, then stick to this video, because if you do it yourself, then you might get lost. So don't skip any part of the video, and if some of you want to make huge amount of money, then check the description box. It has some very useful resources you must use, and at the end of this video I will show you a method which will maximize your earning and on complete autopilot, and I also have show you a bonus for all of you. But before starting this video, I have a disclaimer for you. With the help of this method which I will gonna show you, you will not make a reliable lifestyle income. It will only help you to earn some couple of thousands of dollars. So now let's jump into the video, but before that, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and comment down below if you have any query. So the website which I am telling you about is picoworkers.com. Here as you can see, this is picoworkers.com. Let me zoom it for you so that you can check the name and take the screenshot of this or write it properly. Now this is the website we will use to make money, and here is a good website. This is a good website. As you can see, Pico Workers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with businesses who need other people to help them to support their work. Come to Pico Workers. They can hire the worker for easy and quick job. So basically this is the introduction of Pico Workers. It is a small task website where you will do some small task and they will pay you for that. Here you can do many things, like as you can see here under the freelance section, as you can see, you can take survey, you can write an honest review, you can test an app, or you can write an article, and there are many things you can do which I will show you later, and I will also show you how to take the work, how to complete it, how to submit it, and many things. Now when you click on this freelance and earn, it will bring you to the section about the earnings, which I'll show you previously about the earning of the people which are making it through it. Now when you click on the sign up button on the top right side, as you can see, when you click it, it will bring you to the page like this. Now where you can sign up, you can just write your full name, just write your email address and type a password, retype the same password, make a unique nickname and select the country, and it is accepting all over the world, people from all over the world. As you can see there, this is selecting from all over the world. Now when you select this all, then click on I am a worker, agree to their terms and condition, and click on sign up process. When you sign up, then confirm your email and log in into your account. Now let me log in one of my account. As you can see, this is my account, this is my new refresh account, and as you can see, there are some of the work available which are 758, and these are the all works there. This is a short payment, and as I'll tell before that, you will not make thousands of dollars with the help of this method, but at the end of this video I will show you a bonus tip from which you can make thousands of dollars without much hard. So watch it until the end. Now here as you can see, there is list is going on. There is list is thousands of works there, and it will updated every time. Now you can select some of the categories, like you can change the payment section from where you want to get the lowest and highest amount. You can select also your location. If you want to select a particular location and you want to work from there, you can also select your employment status. It will help you to bring good jobs, and you can also select a category in which you want to work and you want to make money. There are thousands of categories. As you can see there, there is video marketing, leads, Reddit, Facebook, surveys, qualifications, many things, and you can select whatever you want. Now there are many things also on this page, and you can change them. Now when you click any of the work you like, then it will bring you to the page some like that. Now here you will, first of all, you have to select your gender. Now write your date of birth, write and city, write your security question and answer it, the security answer, and save, and it will bring you to the work page. Now go back and you can select other offer or other task so that you can make more money. So when you come there, so you can do all of this task and make much amount of money. Now as you can see, when you click on refer a friend, it will bring you to a page something like that, where you can refer this picoworkers.com and you will make money. Here's your unique affiliate link dedicated to your referral link, and you will earn 5% of your referral make, which means if your referral make $1,000, then you will make $50 automatically into your account. You don't have to do anything, and you can read information about this affiliate program on this page by clicking refer a button. And as you can see, now you can select also some offers in what niche you want. You can select paid service type, you can select everything, and you can customize it. Now at the top side you can see here is your earning, what you earned. Now when you click on this profile section, then come on account setting, and here I will show you some important setting you have to do into your account. So firstly, it is good to upload a image about yourself, so it will good for companies to hire you, and you can give some basic details and fill up these boxes, everything. There is name, email address, password. Now come on security, and here you have to type your security question answer if you don't previously type. Now when you click on wallet, then it will bring you this page, and here you can withdraw your amount. Here as you can see, it will take 10 business days to withdraw. Now when you click on request withdrawal, then it will bring a page something like this, and here you can withdraw your money you earn from this website. And the lowest amount to withdraw is $5, which is very low amount, and you can earn it simply in 1 to 2 days. Now there are many methods to withdraw like AirTM, Litecoin, PayPal, Skrill, Uphold. You can select any method, and when you reach the amount of $5, then you can withdraw this into your account, and it will come on your account in around 10 days of business work. So basically this is the website picoworkers.com. Once again, the website name is picoworkers.com. Now if you want to make some fast money, then there is a method which is forcefully flood any link with buyer traffic, resulting in mass $197 payment without even creating a website. It takes 90 seconds from activation to get paid. 96% of the beta tester made at least $199. It is 100% never seen before method. They have also made many dollars from this. It is fully ethical and legal, and it don't have any hidden fee. It also have 30-day money back guarantee, and you will get paid $300 if you failed with this method to help money. Now probably this product is not free. You have to pay a small amount of money to buy this product, but it is a one-time investment. If you buy this through my link which is down below of this video, then you will get a huge discount on this, and you can make thousands of dollars, as it's saying that you will make $197 from this product. Once again, the link is in the description of this video, and here as you can see, you can also watch some of these videos.